Today we're checking out this SpeedForm 3-piece chin spoiler in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustang GT and EcoBoost. If you want the front end of your Mustang to look a little meaner without going too over the top, a chin splitter like this is one of the best bang for your bucks mods that you can do, so it's definitely worth looking into. One nice feature about this has got to be its 3-piece design, because it's made to mount right onto your factory chin spoiler so that you're not dealing with a big complicated front end swap and you get a new look overall. It gives your front end a more aggressive and race inspired look, and it helps your Mustang look lower and more planted from the side and straight on. This is also a nice choice if you daily drive your car, because you're gonna get the added visual depth up front without going so low that you're stressing every driveway entrance. And since it's finished in a nice clean gloss black, it works with basically any Mustang color. So whether you're going for a subtle OEM plus vibe or you've got other black accents like a grille, splitter, or wheels, this is gonna blend in seamlessly. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a durable injection molded ABS piece that's finished in a gloss black. ABS is a great material for something down low like this because it's lightweight, it's tough, and it handles normal impacts and road debris way better than a flimsy universal piece. The molded design also helps it fit right in and look clean once it's installed. And if you stick with me, we're gonna get to that install just here in a second. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $200 price range. That's a fair price for a molded, vehicle-specific chin spoiler setup, because cheap universal splitters can look good in pictures, but usually they don't fit as clean and they're not gonna last as long. Here, you're paying for the proper fit to the factory chin spoiler and a finish that looks right at home on a modern Mustang. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 1 hour of your time. Now, to get this job done, you're gonna need a drill with some drill bits to drill those pilot holes, and a Phillips head screwdriver or drill bit to drive those mounting screws home. Now let's see exactly how this install goes with a quick video from one of our American Muscle customers.
This is the installation for the SpeedForm gloss black 3-piece chin spoiler for my 2024 Mustang. So step 1 is to connect the provided screws to secure the 3 pieces together. Loosely, because we're going to adjust them on the vehicle later. Come over here, piece. So now, after you make sure that the spoiler aligns with your vehicle, in which it does, now you can tighten the previously loose screws. Now we're going to pre-install the screws on the bottom of the spoiler, so it is easier for us to connect the screws to the bumper. There's going to be 5 screws on the sides of the spoiler and 4 in the middle. So all the holes are filled in the middle. Okay, all the screws pre-installed. So now, with a helper, you're going to align. There we go. Here we go. My lights. I'm going to align the spoiler with the bumper. Make sure it's flushed. There we go. And now, simple just with a good amount of pressure, install the screws. Make sure it's flushed. I push it a little more. And there you have it. Thank you so much.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the SpeedForm 3-piece chin spoiler in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustang GT and EcoBoost. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.